Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.10 Button Label Name Syntax. Buttons are macros. Don't confuse them with range names. The syntax for most button label names identifies the function, action, or item used by the macro assigned to the button. Button label names most used include button names that start with DMNS, switch to the project dimensions sheet to enter dimensions. Button names that start go to, move around the same sheet. Button names that start with GRP or group, combine sheet types specified in the button name. Button names that start with SLCT or select, switch between sheets specified in the button name. Button names that start with EG:, run the example macro specified in the button name. Button names that start with ELV, switch to the elevation sheet in the button name. Many other buttons, such as auto filter or clear, perform functions the name specifies. This example, 1.1.10, is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.11.